What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we're going to start a brand new segment on the channel. We're going to call this Lee Kicks. Alright, so as you've already seen the thumbnail, you can kind of see that this is going to be a shoe review. Yes, I would like to bring shoes to the channel. I've already brought a little bit of fashion with my Fashion Nova video, which actually did pretty well for my channel, being that I haven't had a video go over 1,000 views in quite a while. So I thought I'd bring some more fashion stuff to the channel. So with no further ado, let's get on with the review. Alright guys, so we're gonna jump right into the shoe review. So right here we have the Nike SB Dunk High in the Space Jam colorway. So just your typical Nike SB Tiffany box. Nothing really too special. Let's see, retail price was about 120. I think I got these for like 115. They've kind of been sitting on shelves. Hold on, let me just fix that real quick. Yeah, so they've kind of just been sitting on shelves out here in Japan. I know these were only released in Japan and Europe, so if you're in the States, sorry, you'll have to order these online and probably pay a little bit over retail. But they've been sitting for the most part, so it should be a pretty easy cop for you to get. So yeah, let's get right into it. So, open the box. Boom. Right here, here's the shoe. Pretty clean, just looks exactly like a Space Jam. It does come with an extra pair of laces, these blue, or varsity blue laces. You got a varsity blue swoosh on the tongue right here, if you can see that. Yeah, that's pretty good. One detail I do really like is on the back. So typically on Jordan 11s, you'll see like a 23 on the back. On the pull tab right here, you got a little SB in the same font, just like the 23 on 11. So I thought that was pretty cool. But the shoe, predominantly black. So we got patent leather, of course, like Jordan 11's patent leather. Then this ballistic mesh is what they call it. I had to do some research on that because I didn't know what the fuck to call it. I would have called it just mesh, but it's called ballistic mesh. That wraps around the entire shoe. You got it on the tongue, and then right here. So patent leather on the swoosh, patent leather on the toe box, and then back here this weird kind of, I don't know what kind of leather this is at all. Probably just some fake leather, but that's on the back right here. Then on the bottom you have a translucent sole, and then also some more varsity blue right here with Nike SB. Then on the inside, I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see this, but there's also a varsity blue swoosh right there, I believe. Yep. Yeah, so this is a 9.5. We'll do some little beauty shots, and then I'll do an on-feet review with some joggers, some jeans, maybe some shorts. Yeah. Alright, so in closing, should you cop these? I think definitely yes. If you can get them for or under retail, definitely cop these. These are a limited shoe for Europe and Japan, but I would not pay over retail for these because I'm in Japan right now. These are sitting on shelves. So definitely cop. If you guys like these videos, definitely throw a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you can. That would mean a lot to me. But until next time, Lee Kicks out.